A shadow born of lightning, a whisper in the night. They called me death itself, a predator's flight. Yet here I stand, bound by scars and flame, a silent witness to this world's disdain. I watched his heart break, a boy cast aside. The echoes of his pain became my guide. Wounded wings brought me to the ground, and in his trembling hands a bond was found. We were hunted by fear, scorned by their cries, two outcasts who dared to defy the skies. Together we rose against their bitter lure, yet peace they rejected, they wanted war. He gave me freedom, I gave him my trust. Now we return to balance the unjust. From silence I strike, with fire I defend the outcasts of this world who found their end. A flame without sound, a vengeance untold. In the ashes, a story of a bond turned cold.
Where's your dragon when you need it? Must have forgotten all about you.
Flame off the dreamwork.
Take this out on me, be mad at me, but please.
To see beyond the chains of their legacy. Their weapons tore skies, their hate stained the land. And so we answered, a dragon at his command. I saw the spark within his eyes ignite, a fire of fury born from the night. We lead the storm, we ride the gale, for in their fear they forced this tale. They feared his heart, they feared my roar. Now they'll face what they chose to ignore. From silence I strike, with fire I defend the outcasts of this world who found their end. A flame without sound, a vengeance untold. In the ashes, a story of a bond turned cold. I never saw battle, I never craved this fight, but in the dark I became his light. The skies once sang of harmony and grace, now they burn with the echoes of this place. He was my rider, my other, my kin, but vengeance has poisoned the dream within. The path we chose, the storm we ignite, is born of love, yet ends in night. From silence I strike, with fire I defend the outcasts of this world who found their end. A flame without sound, a vengeance untold. In the ashes, a story of a bond turned cold.
Now do you get it? This is what it is to earn a dragon's loyalty.
forget. A dream once alive, now drowned in regrets. Together we burned, together we soared. Now only silence remains as the final chord.